Hello friends, today I will discuss the benefits of banana for your skin. Banana is very good for skin. It has a lot of calciums and it is really good if you consume it every day. So friends, always remember to eat bananas on a daily basis. Friends, you can also use banana peel. Banana peel has a lot of vitamin A, B, C, E, potassium, zinc, iron and manganese. So with the use of banana peel, you can achieve an acne and wrinkle-free skin. Banana peels also reduce the old acne marks. It hydrates your skin from inside out and gives it a softer look. Banana and its peels are excellent homemade remedies for treating acne and pimples. You can directly apply the inside of a banana peel onto your acne to reduce inflammation and destroy bacteria. Also use a face mask with mashed banana, honey and turmeric to brighten your skin, reduce acne and moisturize your skin from within. So take a bowl, add some banana to it, mash it properly, add some honey and then turmeric powder, a little bit of rose water and mix the proportion properly. Then apply it onto your acne. So friends, eat bananas every day.